Are you aware of the critical importance of fire safety in factories? This video outlines a comprehensive checklist to ensure compliance and safety. Discover practical steps to protect workers and assets from fire-related risks. Proper storage of flammable materials is essential in minimizing fire risks. Regular housekeeping keeps work areas clean and free of combustible clutter. Smoking restrictions in hazardous areas further reduce ignition risks. Designated smoking zones with proper disposal containers are crucial. These measures create layers of protection against potential fire incidents. Reliable detection and suppression systems are vital for fire safety. Smoke detectors and fire alarms provide early warnings of potential fires. Regular testing ensures these systems function correctly when needed. Automatic sprinklers and fire extinguishers help contain fires. Manual pull stations allow quick alarm activation during emergencies. Clear escape routes and emergency lighting are critical during evacuations. Exits must be clearly marked and unobstructed. Exit doors should remain unlocked and feature panic hardware. Emergency lighting provides illumination during power outages. Regular testing ensures systems guide employees safely to exits. Regular inspection of electrical systems helps prevent fires. Properly labeled electrical panels ensure quick power shutdown. Employee training on safe electrical practices is crucial. Workers should avoid overloaded outlets and use grounded equipment. Identifying potential electrical hazards is key to safety. Welding and cutting present significant fire risks in factories. A formal hot work permit system ensures controlled conditions. Proper storage of combustible materials is equally important. Flammable liquids require approved containers and ventilation. Monitoring hot work areas prevents delayed ignition. This checklist provides a comprehensive approach to factory fire safety. By following these measures, you can protect workers and assets from fire risks, ensure compliance, and create a safer working environment.